So our tip of the week today is publishing a BIMx with bookmark views. So one of the things that's nice about working within BIMx, right, is that when you go to a BIMx viewer, you can have preset bookmarks that you can select from there within the viewer using a little tab in the middle here that'll select them. And also you can have it, oops, you can kind of see here, kind of take you through it. There's your tab where it'll take preset bookmarks. And so, these are really helpful if you're using a BIMx viewer because you've never used it before. It's nice, because you can walk through it. But more importantly is that sometimes it'll get kind of confusing. You'll get lost in it. And to have that bookmark view really, really helps to kind of keep your bearing in case you get lost. You can go back to where some preset views are. And the same thing's true here too. Oops, sorry about that. Same thing here is true is that if you open up your mobile device, you can also have, or in your desktop as well, you can also have pre-saved favorites that you can have in your, actually, I'm not sure if it's in the desktop. I think it's just in the mobile. But anyway, you can have saved bookmarks that will allow you to have those pre-saved views. And so those can get created in your BIMx viewer. I mean, you can just go in there, you can add your little, click your little plus sign to add those in. But you can also do them by, if you want to, in ArchiCAD, by saving camera views. You do that with Camera Pass. You do that by going to the camera tool. And when you open up that camera tool, you can click New. You can create a camera path. You can give it whatever name you want, such as BIMx bookmark views. Okay. And then you just start to add in your camera paths in here, right, that you want as those pre-saved views. And then as long as you have this particular one active within the camera settings, then those bookmark views will then go in and be published with your BIMx file. So that's a nice thing to do. That way, that when you go into your BIMx file, you'll have those favorites already preset in there. Of course, you can add additional ones to it, but it's just a nice way to kind of do it in terms of kind of presetting ones that you want. And of course, you can always adjust them after they're done, but it's a nice way of doing it with an ArchiCAD if you want to do it there as well.